February. We're working hard to get this material and get this prototype out to everybody to see the power that it has. We're getting some great comments. We also got some that are a little confused, and we're going to work hard. We're going to make another video. We're going to get the material to be more refined, more clear, more clean, until it reaches a point where everybody's pretty much on the same wavelength. So it's a tough day. It's always hard to get critiques and hear feedback, especially when it's negative. But at the end of the day, we want the negative. We want to hear about it, because the more that we can get it to a point where all those naysayers and stuff can see clearly about what it is and what it's about, the better it's going to be. Because then you're really onto something when it's universally accepted. And we know that this product is a universal product. It's meant to cross boundaries into other categories. It is not just meant for diabetics, and that's from the diabetic himself. It is for everyone. So we're going to keep working on it. We're going to keep knocking on that door, and we're gonna make this big. This is a big thing. It's a big deal for everybody, and we're excited for that. We're excited for the challenge, and we look forward to it. So we'll keep giving you guys updates as we keep moving forward. With that, ADHERE, gear out.